नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं स्वतंत्र स्तंभ न्यूज़। सच्चाई देश की गलियों से। आइए डालते हैं नज़र आज की ताज़ा खबर पर। राष्ट्रीय शर्करा संस्थान की प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर निदेशक सीमा परोहा का एक और नया साहसिक कदम। दिनांक 23 सितंबर से 27 सितंबर तक चलने वाले प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम में उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के विभिन्न भागों के एक्साइज इंस्पेक्टरों ने भाग लिया। कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ मुख्य अतिथि HBTU के कुलपति श्री शमशेर जी ने व निदेशक प्रोफेसर सीमा परोहा व असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर विनय जी ने मां सरस्वती जी को माला अर्पण एवं दीप जलाकर किया। आए हुए एक्साइज इंस्पेक्टरों को प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम में HBTU के कुलपति श्री शमशेर जी ने कार्य को किस प्रकार विस्तार किया जाए, किस तरह होना चाहिए, अपने विचार प्रकट किए। 11:10 पर वर्चुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस PTI कार्यक्रम को निदेशक प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सीमा परोहा जी ने प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम में संबोधित किया। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, स्वतंत्र स्तंभ न्यूज़।
Chief guest is entering the hall, so you can give a claps to welcome the chief guest. Professor Biochemistry. A very good morning to one and all present here. Our most respected chief guest, Professor Shamsher Singh, Vice Chancellor, Harcourt Butler Technical University, Kanpur, distinguished professors, assistant professors, JTOs, staff, and esteemed participants from State Excise Department of Uttar Pradesh. It's an honor to welcome you all to this important 5 days training program designed specifically for excise inspectors working in sugar and distillery industry. This technical program is organized to equip them to enhance their working capacity and perform better to day-to-day working as an official who joins department need not be from sugar or ethanol background. So this training aims to enhance their knowledge and skill in effectively regulating our vital sugar and distillery sectors. Your work not only affects the industry but also impacts the economy and the society at large. Therefore, this training program is highly beneficial to make them aware of the technicalities involved.
Dr. Anand Lakshmi, Dr. Vijay Kumar, the faculty of this institution, and dear students and participants from Excise Department. When you talk of this type of program, refresher program, एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाता हूँ जिससे आपको इसका जो इम्पोर्टेंस है वो क्या है। अगर आप शॉ देखें जिससे लकड़ी काटते हैं और एक जो वर्कमैन है या जो कारीगर है जो शॉप से लकड़ी काटता है, when the saw is very sharp new saw, the cutting of the food or whatever he is making at that shop is very finished and very excellent product he is making. But as the time goes on, and as the edge of the shop goes blunt and blunt, the product quality of the product goes on decreasing. So what he has to do? He has to sharpen the shop immediately once it is going down and quality of the product is going down. And the product he is making, if the saw is very sharp, may take, let us say, 1 hour. But the moment the edge is going down, is getting blunted, then the product as well as the time goes on increasing. जो प्रोडक्ट को वो 1 घंटे में बना सकता था, अच्छा बना सकता था, उसी प्रोडक्ट को बनाने में उसको अब 4 घंटे लग रहे हैं और प्रोडक्ट भी खराब हो रहा है.
FLPD, respected Ashwini Srivastava sir, Director SN Vegetable Oil, respected Shri Sangeet sir, Director NSI, respected Dr. Seema Purwa ma'am.
Food may be also from the primary juice sugar factories. Another issue that is health consciousness among the people of India is using the wrong notion. It can cause the sugar-related diseases. Consumption of sugar in India between 90 kg per annum, one of the least among the developed countries in the world where urbanization is on an increasing trend. A revolutionary campaign is needed in direction of increase of consumption of sugar, which used to be more than 1 kg. The cost of production of sugar is highest in the world. Thank you.
Sir, please. Good morning. I welcome all participants of this 3-day executive development program conducted by NSI Kanpur. This, as I have been told, that this program will cover all dimensions of sugar value chain, and lectures are being delivered by the institute's faculty members and eminent experts from other institutes as well. As informed, I think more than 100 participants have been registered for this program.